How to promote Warrior Plus products without a website. If this is why you are here on this video, then you are at the right place. As I'll be showing you the way with which you can promote the products, different products from Warrior Plus without even a website and for absolutely free. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end. And in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So there are a number of ways with which you can promote products from Warrior Plus, or for that matter any affiliate network. But I'll be specifically talking about Warrior Plus in this video. And you could promote it using Pinterest, you could promote it using YouTube. But what I'm going to tell you in this method, that's not being followed by a lot many people, but it is highly successful method, and that is through classified ads. So what are classified ads? Classified ads are websites where you can post your ads for different product, different services for absolutely free. So I'll be telling you three websites in this video, three free websites where you can post different classified ads. And not only that, I'm also going to give you my ad templates, ad copies, which you can use, which you can modify to promote any product from Warrior Plus. So the first step in promoting the product from Warrior Plus is to find the product and apply for the affiliate link. So for that, let me just take you inside my computer and I'll show you how you need to do that. So right now I'm in my Warrior Plus dashboard, and once you're logged in, after creating the account, it is just a 5-minute process to create the account. All you need to do, just click on affiliate and go to offers. So here we are going to find the different offers, and you need to find the right offers, the offers which are converting and which has got low refund rate. So let's just see over here. So these are the different offers which are ongoing at the moment, and you can see these different numbers over here. So this number 7500 plus copies are the sales. So they have sold for secret email system 7500 copies, and the conversion rate is 17%, which means 17% of people visiting the sales page are buying this product. And next is the visitor value. You do not have to worry about the visitor value. What you need to look is the refund rate, and this one has got a refund rate of 3%. Anything below 5% is a good number, depending on the number of sales. You do not want to promote a product which has got a high refund rate, so because that indicates that the people who have got this product are refunding it, and you don't want to end up in that situation. So as you can see, for this one the refund rate is 16%, which is very high. Even though they have sold 2000 copies, the conversion rate is only 7% for this commission blaster. So you need to take these in account, and what you need to do after that, you need to just open the particular product, just in order to see like what the product is all about, what it is. And after you have opened it up, you need to go into the JV page. You will find the link for the JV page over here. It is usually over here. If it is not here, you can choose a different product. And basically on the JV page, you will get all the information about the product, what this product is all about. Is it a software product or a training based product? And you will also find different promotion tools which you can use in your campaigns. And you can also have a look at the sales page of the product. So let's open the sales page and see. So this is the sales page of this particular product. And after you have got the brief idea about the product, what you need to do, you need to apply for the affiliate link. So for that, you need to click on request approval over here. And now this is the most important step. If you are a newbie on Warrior Plus, you would want the vendor to approve you. So for that, you need to put something over here. And what I recommend to anyone is you just need to pick up your phone and shoot a quick video, saying that, okay, hey, my name is Saurabh and I would like to promote secret email system using YouTube, using Pinterest or whatever. And you can mention that, this is I'm new and I'm learning the strategy from Saurabh Gopal. So you can mention that in the video as well, and just record this quick video and publish it on YouTube and make it unlisted, so that it is only visible to you and whoever has the link to it. So grab the link and just put it in the request notes and request for the affiliate offer. And after you have got your affiliate link for a particular product, then you need to post your ads on the classified ad website. So I'm in this video, I'm going to be telling you 3 websites which you can use. So the first one is called Gibo.com. So this is a free classified ad website. So you just need to create your account on this website, and you can choose different categories depending on your product. And once you've created the account, chosen the category, you need to post your ad. And you can create the ad copy, by looking at the sales page. You could grab the headline and post your ad inside it. Let's see, we can have a look at a particular ad. Let's open this one, or maybe IT. See, you can see these are the different ads which people have posted. So similarly, you need to post your ad. And what I'm also going to do to help you out, I'm also going to give you my ad copies. And what I'm also going to do, I'm also going to give you my ad copy template, which you can use, customize, modify it. And the link to that is in the description down below. Click on the link and you will have access to the ad copies. And you can just model those ad copies and use the headline or any other thing from the sales page and create your ad and post it on gibo.com. So this is the number 1 website. The second website which I would like to share with you is known as adpost.com. So that is again a free classified ad board website where you just need to create your account and start posting the ads. So this is how the website gonna look like. You can just select the country where you want to post the ad, and again you will get different categories, and just select the right category. Basically you would want to select the computer and devices or business category, or business opportunity as well, business products and services. So these are the categories which are applicable for Warrior Plus products. So this is the second website, adpost.com. The third website I'm gonna tell you is known as adsglobe.com. So again, that is a free classified ad board website where you just need to post your ad, and people are visiting these ad board website. People are getting traffic from these websites. So you just need to create the ad and post on these 3 websites, and you should be getting results. So guys, this is the way with which you can promote Warrior Plus products without a website, without anything, and for absolutely free. So I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you got some value, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.